Good evening sa lahat! Just a quick video for tonight. Let's learn how to say sunny, rainy, windy, at cloudy sa Tagalog. Pero, or but, I think we should also learn first what is or how to say sun, rain, wind, at cloud sa Tagalog. So, let's do that first. Sun, rain, wind, at cloud sa Tagalog ay araw, ulan, hangin, at ulap. Let's say that again. Sun, araw, araw. Rain, ulan, ulan. Wind, hangin, hangin, hangin. Cloud, ulap, ulap, ulap. Okay, one more time. Sun, rain, wind, at cloud. Araw, ulan, hangin, at ulap. Araw, ulan, hangin, ulap. Now, let's learn how to say sunny, rainy, windy, at cloudy. Sunny. Maaraw. 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 Rainy. Maulan. 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 Windy. Mahangin. 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 And last one, cloudy. Maulap. 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 That's sunny, rainy, windy, at cloudy sa Tagalog. Let's say it again. Sunny, maaraw. Rainy, maulan. Windy, mahangin. At last one, cloudy, maulap. Maaraw, maulan, mahangin, at maulap. So, yan lang for this video. Good night!